Choose a skill set rather than a career. Today we will explain why choosing a skill set is much better than choosing a career. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the challenges of choosing a career and be able to come up with your own solution. So let's get started with the challenges of choosing a career. 1. Your dream job may not yet exist. There are very few jobs that have existed for generations and will continue to exist in the future. Given how the world is changing, your dream career is likely to be invented within the next 5 to 10 years. 2. In the next 10 to 20 years many jobs will disappear, and as new careers emerge, some will become obsolete. You'll be back on your computer searching once again for a career. Naval Ravikant, an American entrepreneur and investor, said something to keep in mind. Quote, robots would be doing everything from cleaning toilets to cooking food to flying airplanes to driving Ubers, and what would we be doing? We would be doing all creative jobs to entertain each other and researching science and technology. End quote. Let's face it, technology is advancing before our eyes. We all agree that in a fully automated world where robots take over everything, all that's left to do is have fun and build better robots. Of course, this is easier said than done, but the globe is progressively approaching that point, indicating that even those seemingly inexhaustible jobs will soon be automated. Remember how the time span between horse and rocket was little over 50 years, and how the world is moving quicker now than it was then. The rate of technical innovation is increasing exponentially, and the world appears to be moving faster because it is, while many occupations are being recreated. 3. The workplace is undergoing a significant transformation. In the previous year, 47 million Americans quit their jobs. Imagine the entire country of Spain simply waking up one day and quitting their jobs. Tremendous transition is taking place in the workforce, and a new wave is on its way. Who knows what that wave will look like? 4-day work weeks, different types of occupations. We'll just have to wait and see. Here's what happened. Goldman Sachs, a multinational financial bank, ordered all of its workers to return to work. How many people did you think showed up? If you go deeper into the story of the Great Quit, you'll discover that many of the people who quit their jobs also changed careers. Spending more time at home helped them realize that the occupations they worked so hard for didn't provide them with any satisfaction. According to the Harvard Business Review, some businesses responded by improving the quality of their work by offering greater compensation and perks. 4. People regard their occupations as if they were a forehead tattoo. Is it possible to make a mistake on your first try? People often struggle to choose a profession because they believe they will be doing it for the rest of their lives. With so much weight on your shoulders, the task of selecting the appropriate career is overwhelming. You probably haven't figured out what life is all about, and the good news is that you probably never will, which is a blessing in disguise because it leads us to our next point, choosing a skill set. First and foremost, note that we used the term skill set rather than skill. Don't get too caught up in the career, instead, concentrate on the actual thing you'll be doing. Choose a monetizable skill set that you can envision yourself practicing for the next 5 years. What is the significance of 5 years? Because you'll almost certainly need to alter after that in order to keep up with the world and prevent monotony. A skill set is a combination of related skills that make you valuable and difficult to replace. You should be confident in the knowledge that what you learn today will last you 3 to 5 years, but that you may need to change gears after that. Choosing a skill set allows you to be more flexible. Nobody cares about your job title. What matters is what you can perform. So how do you choose the correct skill set for you? First, anyone can learn anything with the right knowledge, so don't place yourself in the box of "I'll never be successful in accomplishing that." Secondly, figure out what you're naturally excellent at right now. You might be doing things you don't like or aren't very good at. In the meanwhile, don't expect to find something you're very good at on your first try. You might have to work 2 or 3 jobs before you find it. Finally, focus on your skill set and what makes you happy. Remember, a career chooses you based on your abilities. As a result, this becomes a challenge because you don't know how to perform a lot of things. Having a skill set will carry you year after year, and the best part of it is, you'll be enjoying what you are doing. If you have found your skill set, leave us a comment. Give us a like to let us know you found this content valuable and informational. Subscribe and turn on the bell to join the notification squad and be notified of newly released videos. Thanks for watching.